Hi guys, haven't talked about the Corvette much for a while, and I thought I'd update you on this Code 42. This is going to be kind of my final word on it because the car just runs like a top and the code is still there. And so I've decided that I've replaced what I'm going to replace. I've diagnosed and checked and rechecked everything I plan to do, and I'm just going to leave it be. I don't know if it's just if it's the computer's got a problem and it's causing the code to throw up like that, but I cannot think of anything else to do with it. And because it's really not impacting the performance of the car, I'm just decided I'm going to live with it. And when I fly away, the next guy that owns it, if they want to make it an issue, they can have at it. But I'm done with it. So that's the final video, final word on the Code 42. Catch you later.